Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious veg soup momos at home. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a half cup of water, kneading until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough rests, we can start on the flavorful vegetable filling. This resting period is crucial for a tender momo wrapper, making it easier to roll out later. Now, let's create the savory filling. Finely chop about 1 cup of cabbage, a half cup of carrots, and a tablespoon of ginger. Sauté these vegetables in a pan with a dash of soy sauce and a pinch of black pepper until tender crisp. Allow the filling to cool completely before you begin shaping. This ensures the momos hold their form beautifully when steamed. With your momos shaped, it's time to steam them. Place the momos in a steamer basket and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they appear translucent and firm. While they steam, prepare your soup base. Simmer vegetable broth with a few slices of ginger and garlic. Season with a tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of vinegar for a balanced flavor. This creates the perfect comforting broth. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade veg soup momos. Carefully place the steamed momos into bowls of the hot, aromatic soup. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. This dish is perfect for a cozy evening. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite of your comforting creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.